Natural gas gave a good bullish move last week and has achieved 2.8 levels. We have discussed in our weekly and daily review last week that it has shown a reversal after a series of bearish candle and it is bound to rebound. 2.8 was the first target, and now can we expect gas to move towards 3 and 3.2 levels in the coming week and rise more, or is it still bearish and going to crash again? What is going to be our strategy and positioning? How to profit trading natural gas next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the first weekly review, and daily I release natural gas updates with the Asia and Europe session. Was that as well. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Do like, share and comment as well before leaving the video. And yes, if you're not become the channel member, support the effort by becoming the channel member. Press the join button besides the subscribe icon and enjoy the perks. Let's start. Towards the end of this video, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. Let's start with the monthly charts first. What has happened on the monthly chart? See, last two candles, bearishness was diminished. Yes, we have seen bearishness getting diminished here. And with that, prices have started to rise. Now, how high it could rise in the month of January? Possibility exists that we can see it breaking beyond $3 levels again. Now, if you look at the movement, see the drop here, the retracement towards the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, then the drop, it is giving you higher lows and higher highs. Now, after the drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. It is still under retracement. Now, also, one must note on the monthly charts, the moving averages have crossed over 20, 50 and 100. All of these three have crossed over. Where are these positioned? In between 3.6, 3.8 zone. Now, even if it continues to rise, these levels are going to play a major role. This is on the monthly charts. We are taking a little distant view here. But let's have a look at this month. Now, what has happened? I will wait for it to break. I will wait for it to break beyond 2.9, 3.0 to 3.05 levels. These are the three levels I will wait for it to break past by. Once net gas breaks 3.0 to 05, the next target is directly going to be 3.2, and in fact it can lead or it can yield a very stronger bullish candle beyond those levels as well. Yes, the sharper the drop, the sharper could be the rise here. Also, one must note it has closed the week on a bullish note. Thus, I expect it to give a gap up opening in the coming week and continue to rise. Stochastic looking downwards here. Look at MACD. It has traded with extreme bearishness. It is now trying to converge. Not yet crossed over. See, previous rise also it tried to converge, but it has not yet crossed over. I will wait for it to cross over. Remember, after a strong bearish move, if it crosses over, this is going to diverge more in the coming weeks and possibly we can see a stronger rise. RSI flat. Coming to the weekly chart. Now on the weekly charts, the one observation here is precisely prices have achieved the 20 period moving average as it was trading with the divergence from the moving average. The next is it has shown a reversal sign, and this is the first bullish candle. Also, it is closed on the bullish note and almost at the flat top here. This suggests that prices might give a gap up again next week and it can yield a stronger bullish candle. Now, increasing body size here, from here we can expect it to move towards 3.2 levels in the coming week. There is a probability to it. Yes, it can give you a stronger bullish candle from the current size. What we have seen, the rise here from 2.5 to 2.8, the next candle could be from 2.8 to 3.2. Possibility is there. Right now again I am sounding very bullish, but that is what I am looking forward to. Yes, if you see 3.0 to 3.05 levels giving it a good resistance, we can see prices reversing again and showing a good swing as well. Remember, this is natural gas and it can show you extreme swings. Thus, whatever position you should take with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. The stochastic rising from the oversold levels, it is willing to enter into overbought zone. The MACD, now look at MACD after the drop, the retracement, it has tried to drop, it is converging here. If it crosses over from the current levels, it can lead to the highs here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily, Now, see on the daily charts, it was trading with the higher lows and the higher highs. The last candle, it has given a breakout. Now, remember, it has come to the resistance zone here. We have discussed in our daily update as well 2.8, 2.82 and 2.9 are going to be a good resistances beyond which you can look forward to 3.0 to 3.05. Now the last candle has closed at the flat top, which suggests that it can give you a gap up here and may continue to rise on the upside. How high? 2.93, 3.02, 3.05, 3.1, 3.2. Very, very good resistances here. I'll give you the levels towards the end of this. But yes, currently again I am looking forward to a bullish move in gas if it stays specifically above now 2.85, 2.9 and then $3 levels here. Stochastic rising back to overbought. Look at MACD. After the drop, it is rising. See, it is divergent here. It is diverging and looking upward suggests that the bullish momentum may continue. But too much of divergence calls for it to converge soon as well. RSI rising, that is also a good sign. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, moving average is crossing over here. We have seen in our daily chart, daily discussion, the 50 and 100 crossing over here. Again, a bullish sign. Prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged and now looking forward to diverge. Now, this divergence can lead to higher levels here. Just wait for it to break beyond 2.8285 and then 2.9 levels. Beyond this, certainly we can say that more bullish momentum is going to be seen, and I will look forward to 3.0 to 3.05, 3.1 and 3.2. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. Yes, it has taken a shape here, rise, consolidation, and a rise here can take it to the extreme heights again. RSI rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing in 3rd week of January. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can also find answer to all your queries related to the mentorship batch on my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform has much more to offer. The economic calendar with the live data releases, the forecast and the sentiments, everything is there. You will also get the live charts along with advanced tools so that you can do the charting. You can share it with the community in the forum sections and discuss it with your like-minded traders. And the next is you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. This call can be completely free if you're part of my webinar series, where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We take a holistic view of oil, gas, dollar, indexes, and commodities. Just be a part of the webinar series, and if you want to just trade as per the signals channel, be a part of my VIP signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Now let's have a look at the levels to buy. First, 2.825 you can buy here. We can look forward to 2.855 and 2.9. Now this complete zone is going to play a major role in deciding. Though I am expecting a gap up in gas in the coming week, yes, it can give you a gap up here and may continue to achieve higher highs. But what will it do? It will achieve the highs and retrace immediately. Now beyond 2.9, we can look forward to, actually after this, the target is going to be 3.0 to 3.05, and after this we will look forward to 3.1 and 3.2. Now these levels are very much achievable this week and this month of January. I will be looking forward to these levels. As long as now 2.5 is not taken on the downside, we are not going to treat natural gas as bearish. It is only bearish if you see it trading below 2.5. We can see more bearish momentum preceding here. But yes, as long as three levels are not taken on the upside, prices can reverse again on the downside. Remember, as long as $3 levels are not taken, we should not be treating gas as bullish as well. I am just putting a caution note to you because I did sound extremely bullish in my analysis, and I have always been bullish in natural gas. But again, a caution note I am sharing that as long as 3.1 is not taken, we are not going to treat gas as bullish. Prices can fall back within this month itself. Thus, you have to just keep booking profits at these levels and keep re-entering if you see it in the same direction, watching the daily updates. Now, on the downside, where to sell? I will only recommend you to sell at 2.76. Below 2.76, we can again expect 2.7, the first support levels, 2.65 and 2.6. Now, 2.6 is the critical support level, below which you can still expect 2.55 and 2.5. Now 2.5, the next major support levels. Only bearishness first below 2.6 and then below 2.5. If as long as 2.5 is not taken in the month of January, we are not going to treat gas as bearish as well. So in between 2.5 and 3.1 is where we have to be careful. Beyond 3.1, more bullish momentum in the next few weeks, in the next few months. Beyond 3.1, gas is again going to move towards $3.84 levels, and the next target is going to be 4.4. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Join my webinar series. Visit the page forexhunter.com or join my free Telegram channel for more live updates. Thank you very much. See you again with the daily updates.